Hello, welcome everyone in our channel Banking Preparation. In this video, we will discuss the human resource management questions. Questions are as follows. What is human resource management and mention its objectives? Second question, what are the difference between the personnel management and human resource management? So we will discuss these questions in this video, and this video is very much helpful for all the banking examinations. So please watch till the end and boost your knowledge. So now let's start the video. First question, what is human resource management and mention its objectives? Human resource management is concerned with the human beings in an organization. The management of man is a very important and challenging job because of the dynamic nature of people. No two people are similar in mental abilities, skills, sentiments, and behaviors, etc. Likewise, human resource management is the process of managing people in an organization in a structured and through manner. At the same time, human resource management is the organizational function that manages all of the issues related to the people in an organization. That includes but is not limited to compensation, recruitment and hiring, performance management, organization development, safety, wellness, benefits, employee motivation, communication, policy administration, and training. Thus, human resource management is the process consisting of the acquisition, development, motivating, and maintenance of human resources in an organization. Human resource management objectives are as follows: to help the organization reach its goals, to ensure effective utilization and maximum development of human resources, to ensure respect for human beings, to identify and satisfy the needs of individuals, to ensure reconciliations of individual goals with those of the organizational goals, to achieve and maintain high morale among employees, to provide the organization with well-trained and well-motivated employees, to increase to the fullest the employee job satisfaction and self-actualization, to develop and maintain a quality of work life, to be ethically and socially responsive to the needs of the society, to develop overall personality of each employee in its multidimensional aspect, at the same time to enhance employees' capabilities to perform the present job, similarly to prepare the employee with precision and clarity in transaction of business, and to teach the sense of team spirit, teamwork, and inter-team collaboration. So these all are the important points related with human resource management objectives. Now let's move toward the another question. Next question, what are the differences between the personnel management and human resource management? Both the terms refers to the somehow the same function of the management, and that is managing the people at work. However, human resource management is mainly focused on best utilizing the manpower by understanding their strengths and weaknesses and engaging them in different occupations so that their productivity can be increased. Therefore, training and development and employee engagements are part of the human resource management. Personal management, on the other hand, is mainly concerned with maintaining good employee relationship and activities connected with it. Therefore, personnel management mainly works around industrial, employee, labor relations and activities connected with grievance handling, negotiations, enforcement of labor statute, looking after welfare of employees and so on. Now, let's see some of the differences between personnel management and human resource management. Personnel management is a traditional approach of managing people in the organization, whereas human resource management is a modern approach of managing people and their strengths in the organization. Similarly, personnel management focuses on personal administrations, employee welfare and labor relation, whereas human resource management focuses on acquisition, development, motivation and maintenance of human resources in the organization. Likewise, personnel management assumes people as an input for achieving desired output, whereas human resource management assumes people as an important and valuable resources for achieving desired output. At the same time, Under personnel management, personnel functions is undertaken for employee satisfaction. Under human resource management, administrative function is undertaken for goal achievement. Similarly, under personnel management, job design is done on the basis of division of labor, whereas human resource management, job design functions is done on the basis of group work or teamwork. Likewise, under personnel management, employees are provided with less training and development opportunities, whereas under human resource management, employees are provided with more training and development opportunities. At the same time, in personnel management, decisions are made by the top management as per the rules and regulation of the organization, whereas in human resource management, decisions are made collectively after considering employees' participation, authority, decentralization, competitive environment, etc. At the same time, personnel management focuses on increased production and satisfied employees, whereas human resource management focuses on effectiveness, culture, productivity, and employees' participation. Similarly, personnel management is concerned with personnel manager, whereas human resource management is concerned with all level of managers from top to bottom. Likewise, personnel management is a routine functions, whereas human resource management is a strategic functions. Thank you for watching us this much for today's video. I hope you like this video, and if you are new in our channel, please subscribe our channel, and for more please visit our channel. Thank you.